Hey everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your name on Crown Direct account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.crownhotels.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you're logged into your account, and then after you are done, click on the My Profile button at the top of the screen. Under My Profile, scroll down and find the first name text box under Personal Information. Go ahead and type in your new name you'd like to update to and click Save. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your name for Crown Direct account. Refresh your main home page and you should be able to see your name change. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.